Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI, and today I want to talk about these amazing socks. They are SERISIMPLE bamboo socks for kids. These are amazing for anyone who has a sensory disorder. My daughter suffers from it big time when it comes to clothing and different things. So these are made of 90% bamboo and 10% spandex. These come in so many different colors, which is great. I think I bought a set of every different color because she absolutely loves them. So bamboo is a super soft fabric. This is amazing when putting on. She says it feels like she barely has anything on. She loves them so much. She's actually slept in them, which is shocking because she hates socks. The seam on these are so small, you cannot feel it. She absolutely loves it. If you could see the detail of how small it is, smooth, and on the corners you don't have big bulges or anything that are going to irritate you. You can wear them high or low if you want. I got the mid-rise. This is the only size that I had seen in them, but they do not irritate her at all. They feel comfortable in shoes. She's able to go to school, no complaints. I am so happy with this brand and these socks that I honestly will continue to keep buying them for her, but that's just my point of view.